Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript, and this is the 10th session. In this session we are going to see how we can handle exception in our JavaScript. To handle exception, JavaScript provides the basic try, catch, throw, finally. We are going to cover all these try, catch, throw, finally keywords. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell icon for future notification. If you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. An exception is an abnormal or unaccepted condition that occurs during the runtime. And JavaScript provides various statements or combination of statements to handle exception. It handles exception in try, catch, and finally statement, as I already told you. Exception handling is a mechanism that separates code to detect and handle exception circumstances from the rest of your program. Note that an exception circumstances is not necessarily an error. Let's say you have given two input for division and you want to divide, but somebody give one integer and one as a 0. So divided by 0 is a exception. So let's see this. So we have try, catch, and finally and throw. Try catch block actually handle the exception. Try actually handle the exception. Catch is throw the exception. Finally, if whether or not exception is there or not, finally statement always execute. Throw the statement, a custom error we can throw from our code. Okay, let's see how we can implement this. Those who are following me from the beginning of this code or my previous session, they might know I'm using Visual Studio Code and a folder called JavaScript sessions. So I'm opening that folder. I have already created session 9. Now I'm adding one more HTML file, which is session 10.html. Okay, I'm going to keep this complete folder with these files inside my Google Drive, and will give the link in the video description. Please check it out. So from the previous session, I'm copy paste complete HTML code, removing this script. So let's say there is a variable called a which value is 10, and there is a variable called b which value is 20, and there is a variable called c which a divided by 2, sorry, a divided by b. Right, now I'm alerting this one, so it will be c. I will alert my c. What is the result? Now save the application, go to run, start debugging, web of Chrome. So you can see it is coming as 5. 2 divided by 10 equal to 5. But what if somebody enters 0? Let's scenario like this. So infinity. What is infinity? Nobody know, right? We can handle something, right? For this we have try catch block. How we can do this? We can write like this. Try. Inside this the code, try and catch this one. Here I can alert. Invalid input. Save this. Now refresh the page. Still not coming. Let's see. Okay, there was a small error. What I was doing, I was just using a small integer. But JavaScript can handle big integer with divisible by 0. So for now I am adding 0n, and now see how it is working. Save this, start debugging. So you can see cannot mix big int with other type, explicit conversion happen. Right? So it getting that error and throwing here. But what finally will do? But here if I am doing now 2, then working, but what finally can do? Finally always execute. Finally always execute. So here I can write operation completed. Now see 5 operation completed. Now let's create an error, an exception. Save it. There is exception. Still operation completed. So what finally keyword do? Finally block always execute whether there is a exception or not. Throw keyword is a part where you can throw, right? You want to throw some custom error, custom exception, you can throw. Now refresh it, undefined. I'm throwing what I'm throwing. I'm throwing nothing here, right? So in this way, we can handle our exception with the help of try, catch, and finally block in the JavaScript. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like, share your comments and suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.